So I'm doing a couple of jobs to this bike. So whilst I've got the brakes and wheel off, I'm going to clean around the fork seals with this tool. There are different types you can get. You can get the type that's a bit like a very thin piece of plastic and you jam it up and clean it around. I've never used this before. I've had it a long time but never got around to it. I did see a little bit of weeping at one point. I think it's cleared up now, but I'm going to clean it anyway. So that says up, and I believe you clip it onto there, you stick it under your seal, skimming it around, and it cleans out all the crap that's in there. Let's give this a go. Obviously much easier without the wheel and brakes on. A little bit of oil coming out. Just do that again. Again, there's a little bit of oil coming out, no big deal. I might take the forks off anyway and top the oil up. Here comes the oil. Let's have a go at the other side. I've already taken down the oil seals, sorry, the dust seals. One more time. Oh, no. I just bent that, look. Let's try that again. It doesn't want to go up there now. I don't want to damage anything. I think you should turn this anti-clockwise first, bed it in, and then turn it clockwise. Good, that's better. Now I'm pretty sure you're supposed to pump the suspension, but obviously I can't do that. So there's a little bit of damage there to the dust seal. I have no idea how that happened. I'm just going to put a little bit of grease in here before putting it back on. This is just your bog standard multi-purpose grease. So this might work, it might not. My mate had a speed triple for a couple of years and I think he had 2 or maybe 3 sets of fork seals in that time. So just giving this a try might help. Job done.